Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can create the form and add it to your to-do lists and spaces on ClickUp. So let us get started. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select your workspace here in the top left. So let me go with that one. And after that, guys, select the space you would like to add the form to. You may, for example, pay attention to that panel here on the left-hand side with these spaces. So I created that one here for demonstration purposes. Test space, so click on that arrow icon here to expand it, and you may add a form to that space. For instance, you may do that by clicking on that plus icon here, and after that you will be given access to a list of items you may add to your space, like to-do list, folders, whiteboard presentations, and also forms. So click on form here, and that is going to redirect you to this setup here. So you may, for example, create a form by using one of these templates like a feedback form or project intake, ID request, or start with a completely new form from scratch if you'd like to customize them from scratch. So let me go, for example, with a feedback form template, collect, analyze, and take action on feedback, for example, for your online blog visitors. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on it, and after that customize these templates by adding a custom description here, for instance. And you may also assign a topic of the feedback, for example, by clicking here and enter text, like, I don't know, something like this here, for instance. And after that, simply enter the questions below. There will be one default question, like, for example, tailored to that template, which in this case here tell us more because that is a feedback form. But you may, of course, simply add or delete that question here by clicking on that button here, remove question from the form and add a completely new question, and select one of these with a custom short text, custom long text, a contact info, people lists, signature, and so on and so forth. So your form recipients, for example, will be given the opportunity to fill in that form by using that text here, for instance, and provide answers or feedback. And that's basically it. Once it's done, guys, your changes will be saved automatically. You may also switch from the start page to the end page here on the left hand side and keep customizing it, for example, here. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.